further hearings in criminal court, where he is charged with 91 felony counts, put him at risk of being sentenced to jail even before the GOP National Convention scheduled for mid-July in Milwaukee. One of these cases, a civil lawsuit in New York, threatens to disrupt the former president's company, the Trump Organization. Donald Trump will face a staggering number of planned criminal and civil lawsuits as he seeks Republican presidential nomination over the next 9 months. With a possible 7th to be sure. Donald Trump is heading into fall. Trump has said he was innocent or not at fault in all cases. In a social media post on Tuesday, he wrote, "These indictments and lawsuits are part of my political opponent's campaign plan. This is election meddling and they're going to use the DOJ FBI to help themselves, which is illegal." Trump wrote in his Truth Social post, "Crooked Joe has worked hard to end this case. This is a new fall in presidential policy. I say to Democrats, be careful what you wish for." Here is the latest situation regarding the point where Trump's legal threats have reached New York Attorney General's trial to begin October 2 in Manhattan Supreme Court. New York Attorney General Letitia James has called Trump, the organization, and Trump's sons, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric, for years of widespread involving false financial statements regarding the company's businesses. James seeks $250 million in damages in the civil lawsuit. She is also trying to prevent Trump's men from individually serving as civil servants for a company in New York and preventing the defendant entities from doing business in the state. The Attorney General, claims that Trump inadvertently inflated his net worth by billions of dollars. James claims he did this to obtain more favorable credit and insurance terms for the Trump Organization and to reduce the company's tax liability. Georgia election trial of fellow defendant Kenneth Chesebro will begin October 23 in Atlanta State Court. Another 18 people were charged in the lawsuit in the Fulton County Supreme Court, including Trump's White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, and his former personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani. Fulton County District Attorney Fannie Willis has asked a judge to set a March 4 hearing date for Trump, who is accused, among other things, of violating the state's blackmail, influenced and corrupt organizations law. Given that Trump's hearing on a similar federal case is the same date Willis called on Monday, that date is probably off the table. But Fulton County judge may schedule Trump's trial in Georgia case soon ahead of Republican caucus and in middle of GOP primary season. Meanwhile, attorney Kenneth Chesebro, one of Trump's 18 defendants in the case, has been given a hearing date of October 23, demanding that the trial be expedited. Another defendant, lawyer Sidney Powell, likewise requested a speedy hearing. Trump faces the prospect of at least 5 years or more